This how-to video is going to be on how to set up a wired input into an I/O or a switch contact module as a count. So this would be the first step, and then after this step, you would actually go in to set up the monitoring point to get linked to that input as a count. So from right here in the home screen, we're going to the core software, and we're going to go to configuration and devices. Also select that over here in your left menu. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to add a production status module, give it a name, and then we want to go to our input. So depending on what input you wired that count into, that's the one you would select. So for me, I'm going to say that's actually on input 1. And then it's going to set up as disabled. So what I want to do is flip it over to a count. And I'm going to go ahead and enable it so that I get counts when I get a pulse on that input. Off this, now that'll show up. As you can see, it shows a little icon as a count, and now we know discrete input 1 is set up as a count. I'm going to hit save and exit, and then that's going to set up that input as a count. The next step you want to go to is watch one of the videos, read one of the wikis on how to set up the type of count that you. Forward talking to you again.